This is something that's new, it's different. Maybe the automotive industry hasn't thought of having this type of a discussion before. Many of them find themselves one day just Shazam, okay, now I'm a business owner, and they think they've got the answers. They think they can do it. And they quickly discover that they don't have the answers. There's a skill set that they don't have. So there's a lot of anxiety that I feel is built up in the industry where they don't have the answers. They're up at night. They're not able to pay the bills. They're not able to pay themselves. It affects not only themselves, not only their employees, it affects the employees' families. It affects them, it affects their family and their children. Why is dad always so stressed? Why is he always so tired? Why is he never here at the house? How come we never see dad anymore? Because dad's trying to figure it out, and he's operating with a toolbox that doesn't have enough tools in it. So Kelly, this is where I bring you in to talk about anxieties and self-esteem and how can we as an industry address this so we don't have suicide happening in this industry, so we don't have divorces happening in this industry, so we don't have failed businesses in this industry. It's such a pivotal role, a pivotal industry. We need some help, Kelly.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you so much for having me, Jimmy, first of all. I so appreciate this. Yeah, I work with, my background is a certified hypnotherapist. I work with the subconscious mind. That's where all the programming is. And just right off the bat with the imagination, some people just don't have the time or mental capacity to just slow everything down where they can imagine something really great happening. And that's where I come in, show them how to reprogram the subconscious mind. It reminds me of, while you were just talking, it reminds me of a client, John, when I went to his shop. And let me say it's twofold. I go to shops and I do a workshop all day long, which I'll talk about more. And then I do one-on-one. So usually, like the last two businesses I've been to, and maybe this third one that's just coming up, but I work with the owner one-on-one or whoever needs that kind of extra help. And then we set up the workshop so I know what's going on there, and just, yeah, it's twofold.
Nice.